In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twitch stream key and stream server address. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just embarking on your Twitch journey, understanding how to access your stream key and server address is crucial to connect your streaming software to Twitch. These are essentially your passport to go live, streaming to your audience seamlessly. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to locate these essentials so you can focus more on what you do best, creating engaging content. First, make sure you're logged into your Twitch account. Head over to the Twitch website and ensure you're signed in. Your stream key and server details are tied to your account, so this first step is absolutely essential. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, from which you need to select Creator Dashboard. The Creator Dashboard is your hub for all things related to your channel management and is where we'll find the information we're looking for. Now that you're in the Creator Dashboard, look to the left-hand side menu. You'll see various options there, ranging from stream summaries to content management tools. What we want here is the Settings option, so go ahead and click on it. Under Settings, you'll find another set of options. Select Stream. This area is dedicated to configuration and metadata about your stream. Within the Stream section, you'll first see your primary stream key. For privacy reasons, Twitch obscures this key to prevent accidental sharing. If you need to view your stream key fully, there will usually be an option to reveal it. Just be careful, your stream key is sensitive information, as it allows access to your channel's streaming functions, so treat it like a password. If at any point you feel your stream key may have been compromised, Twitch gives you the option to reset it and generate a new one. Now to find your stream server address. Typically, for most streaming applications like OBS or Streamlabs, you won't need to manually enter a server address because Twitch's setup defaults to the best server location for you. However, if you do need to set it manually or you're having connection issues, you might reference Twitch's recommendations for your region or select on a geographical basis. Detailed server information is usually accessible within your broadcasting software settings. And there you have it. You've discovered how to locate your Twitch stream key and stream server address. Remember, your stream key is sensitive data, so keep it safe. With your stream key and server settings in hand, you are well on your way to streaming your content to the world. Whether you're playing games, hosting talk shows, or sharing your creative process, knowing these details keeps your broadcast running smoothly. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks, and happy streaming.